Hey, dude.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good. How are you?
Good, good, good. Happy Friday to all. Welcome to the tip of the week.
Happy Friday, everyone. Thank you for jumping in with us. We're thrilled you're here. Got some hot stuff for you today, I think.
Yeah, no, I'm excited about it. It is leveraging technology in a cool way on Shopify. One of the benefits of Shopify is obviously the app marketplace and the ability to extend functionality
Yep.
through those apps. And one of the challenges in the international global marketplaces that we now operate and need to be aware of is sort of around language and translation. And you can spend thousands of dollars getting your site and your product pages translated by professionals, but there is technology and you've been doing it in automated fashion, which is pretty cool and can speed up the entire process.
Yeah.
So yeah, you have implemented this on one of your stores, and so it would be cool to sort of look at it and get your thoughts and feedback.
Yeah, this is a fun little app that we've just installed this week. And so let me share my screen and we'll walk through a little bit of the details. And the goal of this app is to dynamically translate your entire website for any language on the planet. And I've wanted to do this for our core business, Pixie Fair, for years. But I was like, well, it sounds complicated. I don't know how it would work. But I found an app. And so on our charity site, so powerful, here it is. You can see the site. I installed this app and it allows for this functionality. Can you guys see my screen all right? You tracking with me?
Yep, yep, I can
Okay,
see.
cool. Yeah, so this is the site, and you'll notice in the top right corner there's this little drop down, and it lists all these languages. And this app is called Panda Dynamic Translate, and it language translate. Sorry, and it is like $7 a month, and it does all of this dynamically. So I'll just switch to Chinese, and you can see it changes the details of the site automatically. Now, it won't change the images that I have copywriting on, obviously. It'll just change the text on the site. Um, and so you can see for the footer example, there it is. It's all in Chinese. And so customers to the site can choose their language. And works like a charm. I mean, and I've tried to cut and paste. Of course, I don't know the languages, but here's Japanese. So I've cut and pasted into Google Translate just to see, and it looks like it's the right stuff. And um, the other thing that's interesting though is I looked at the analytics. This site is not that old. I mean, this I switched this so powerful to Shopify just a month ago, but last month look at all the visitors I had: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, Philippines, Sweden, South Africa, Brazil, Netherlands, France, Germany, China, Luxembourg, Singapore, New Zealand, Korea, Spain, Costa Rica, Finland, Ireland, Russia and Federation, Greece, Austria, Malaysia, Norway, Saudi Arabia, Portugal, Mexico, Turkey, Zambia, Vietnam, Puerto Rico. I mean, it goes on and on. I'm like, what the heck? And now these are small numbers, but this site is new. I mean, it's not even like been around for very long, but Uganda, South Sudan, Nigeria, Pakistan, Guernsey. I don't even know what that is. I guess it's a country. Have you ever heard of Guernsey?
I have not. No,
Is it
I'm
an
not sure.
island in the Caribbean? Who knows? I don't even know. But Taiwan, Poland, Thailand, Cyprus, Italy. I mean, all these people are on my site, and until 2 days ago, I didn't have dynamic translation for them. So now I do. And I don't know, dude. I mean, it's just the power of Shopify just blows your mind sometimes, you know? It's
Yeah,
crazy.
it is crazy. And you might be like, well, what if the translation is wrong? For $7 a month, you're providing good enough language translation, right? Where
Right.
people will understand what's happening on your site without having to do this. Because the alternative to that, if it's just in English, right, is
It's
they either have
English.
to sort of like do it themselves, or like they can like copy and paste, or maybe they're using Google Translates in Chrome. Like you can do some of that, but that's kind of
Yeah.
sketchy at times on a website. So you're actually building this functionality in
Yeah.
good enough to provide value to every language. I think it's a really cool way to do it.
I'm blown away by it, dude. Honestly, I mean, like right when, and the funniest part is, we had our VA set it up. So I didn't even set it up, but I asked him to do it, and like 10 minutes later, it was on the site and it was live. So
Mhm.
it's not complicated. So yeah, I would highly encourage you to look at dynamic translation. Again, the app is called Panda Language Translate, and I'm digging it. And so if you run a Shopify site, look at your analytics report to see by sessions by location. See how many people you got from around the world. The other thing that you can do, of course, that we're going to play around with next is a currency converter, so that the currencies can be from tons and tons of international currencies, and it dynamically will fix it for you so that you get paid in US dollars. Anyway, so I wanted to encourage everybody with that. Hopefully that's a little bit of interesting, nerd zone where we can really help people figure out how to get the most out of their Shopify site and really put their Shopify site in the position to be as maximally helpful as possible for your business, and obviously for your customers and clients. You want to serve them as effectively as possible. So if the Panda Translate app can help do that, then knock yourself out. Let us know if that helps, if you set it up. And if there's anything else Kyle and I can do to be of help, we would love to do that. We are here for you. We got the inner circle. We've also got coaching opportunities. You can check those out on winningonshopify.com. What else? Anything else? Final words to wrap up with?
Go test it. Go try it. Go put it on your site and see if it's going to work. I mean, it's working now. And yeah, don't ignore all of your customers. Is the big takeaway of that. Like, try to communicate and provide value to them in the easiest way possible, and that is in their
Yeah,
own language. So
no
that's a
doubt.
big takeaway.
Yeah, awesome. All right, man. Thanks everybody for hanging out with us, and we're honored to be able to serve. And hope you have a fantastic weekend. So let's wrap it up. See you, man.
Bye.